Thinking of moving to Washington, D.C.? It's a city of power, history, and opportunity, but it's not all politics and monuments. Let's dive into the pros and cons of life in the nation's capital. First up, the exceptional job market. Washington, D.C. is home to federal government agencies, international organizations, and non-profits, not to mention a growing tech sector. Whether you're in politics, law, or defense, you'll find high-paying opportunities waiting for you. Then there's the world-class attractions, and the best part? They're free. The Smithsonian museums like the National Air and Space and the Natural History Museums are available to the public with no admission fee. Getting around D.C. is a breeze with the city's superb public transportation. The metro system and buses make commuting easy. No need to worry about traffic or parking. If you love an active lifestyle, D.C. has some of the most walkable neighborhoods in the country, like Georgetown, DuPont Circle, and Capitol Hill. Plus, there are endless outdoor activities along the C&O Canal and Rock Creek Park. Living in D.C. means you're at the epicenter of American culture and history. From historic sites to political events and diverse cultural festivals, there's never a dull moment. And let's not forget the dining and nightlife scene. Whether you're into Michelin star restaurants or craving international cuisine, D.C. has something for every taste. After dinner, head to U Street or Adams Morgan for a vibrant night out. But before you pack your bags, let's talk about the cons. The cost of living in D.C. is high, really high. From skyrocketing rent prices to expensive home prices, you'll need to budget carefully if you want to live here. And while the metro is great, the traffic? Not so much. D.C. has some of the worst commute times in the country, especially during rush hour. If you're driving, expect long delays and frustration. Another downside? Taxes. The D.C. income tax rate is steep, and the overall tax burden makes the cost of living even higher. D.C. has a transient population. People come for the job and then they leave. Many prioritize work over building long-term social connections, making it harder to form lasting friendships. Speaking of housing, space can be tight. Apartments and homes tend to be smaller compared to other parts of the country, and finding affordable housing often means living further out in the Maryland or Virginia suburbs. Lastly, D.C. can sometimes feel like it exists in a political bubble. The city's focus on politics and government can make it seem detached from the rest of the country's concerns, which can leave some residents feeling disconnected. So, is Washington, D.C. the right place for you? It's a city of opportunities, culture, and history. But it's not without its challenges. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making the move.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.